Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on the beautifully amplified Adventure of the Seas. Now this particular category is the top on the ship. It's the Royal Suite and it looks incredible. Let me show you what it's all about. Now when you walk in, you even have a large double door here. And the reason is, as you continue on in, you've got a grand piano. Now this is one that they can plug in, it can play itself. You can also have a pianist in here as well. But what you'll see as we walk through this room is it's the perfect room if you're having a celebration, if you want to host friends and family, or if you just want to spoil yourself. You cannot do wrong in this particular category. You've got a large pantry right here celebrating a birthday, a milestone one on board. So they had a birthday cake ready. In fact, there's a birthday sign outside. You might see some more inside here as well. You've got a ton of storage underneath, your mini fridge that'll be fully stocked for you. You've got your phone, Lavazza coffee maker. I love that they have that partnership. I love to start my day with an Italian coffee at home. So doing it on a cruise is fantastic as well. You've got the fresh fruit plate over there, waters and sodas, and in here you'll find the large dining room. Now what I love about this is you have an expanded room service menu. You can dine right here in your room. You can also order from the specialty dining and arrange that with the concierge. Now it's set up for 4. You can have even more in here as well. As we continue along to the space, I just wanted to point this out over here in the corner. Whoops. You've got a service entry. So essentially what this is for is it's a butler's pantry, if you want to think of it that way. They can come on in here, they can deliver different items, they can provide service and never bother you at all. And then of course, if you're hosting people, they can take the dishes and things right on out there. I love that it's hidden away as well. In this space, you'll see the beautiful decor. When they renovated this particular room, they added some new artwork. They redid pretty much everything in here, upholstery, carpet, all of that, and it looks fantastic. You've got 2 chairs here, a really large couch. So this is a sectional. It does fold out into a bed. I love that they have the chaise lounge as well, a large coffee table in the middle. You've got a table to the side, another ottoman, and then right here you'll find your large flat panel TV. Underneath you have a little bit of storage tucked away as well. Now another feature that they added in here I like is that the blinds, all you have to do is flip the switch and they'll open and close for you if you'd like. So a really nice touch. Before you're heading to bed, you can shut those blackout curtains, or if you just want the shears so that you can have that extra light come in, it's a nice little touch for this particular suite. So now we're gonna head back across the room. You see you have 1 bathroom entrance right here. We'll get to that in just a minute. And let's head into the master bedroom. Now you see you have doors here, it shuts completely. I love that, especially when traveling with my family. Having that extra level of separation is a really nice touch. You've got a reading chair over here in the corner, yet another flat panel TV, a ton of storage underneath on this side. Over on the other side, you're gonna have a writing desk. You've got a chair that pulls out here, some storage up and down, and then a mirror here, as well as a backlit mirror for getting ready. Now over here, you're gonna have 2 Euro plugs and 2 US plugs. I always bring extra adapters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. Now you see here you have something unique for a cruise ship is a round bed. It's a large bed, larger than the other ones in the ship. So you've got your phone on one side, a little bit of storage on either side, and a reading lamp as well. Now tucked just around the corner, it's a little bit of a unique configuration, is your master closet. Now it actually does have a glass door. I'm gonna leave this open so Taylor can walk on through here. So in here, you'll see that you have those robes, nice and comfortable, one of those sweet amenities. You've got your safe tucked in the corner, big enough for a laptop, a ton of storage up and down, storage all the way around here. And then on the other side, you have storage up and down, including several drawers. And then once again, a little more up top if you're tall like me. So now we're headed into the master bathroom here. You see it is a huge bathroom for a cruise ship. You've got 2 large glass bowl sinks, a ton of storage underneath. These do open up, so you've got storage there as well. And then what you're gonna find is that you have a lot of different upgrades. So you've got the full-size upgraded bath amenities there. You've got the brand new jacuzzi soaking tub that they put in with the jets. And then right through here, you have a large shower. Now, something that I really appreciate is they've got 2 shower heads in there. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. I actually fit just fine in here and I can move all the way around. Now, if you want to see something super cool that's unique specifically to this room, right over here in the corner, you have a sauna control. So this is one of those kind of sauna steam baths over there as well. Not something that you find very often on a cruise ship, but in the Royal Suite, what would you expect? Now, as we head through here, you'll see that you have a large space in here as well for the water closet. You've got a bidet, the toilet right there, more storage up and down, and a really large pedestal sink. But what I like, a nice little touch, is if you're hosting people, you can keep this door shut. This door is gonna open right out into the main foyer. So if you have friends over, maybe you have a party, something like that, you can have your own private space. They don't need to walk through any of the bedrooms to take advantage of it. So now let's step out onto the balcony. You have two large loungers here, nice extra padded and really comfy. You've got the table in between. I love that you have a dining table outside as well. To me, that's a really fantastic touch. You can have all your meals right out here, or maybe just a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now you see all the windows right here. This is actually for the bedroom, so you can open those sheers up, the blinds, and also, well, the blackout blinds as well, if you want to have that light in there in the morning or throughout the day. And a really another fantastic touch is that you're going to have your own sliding door here, so you can access this from the living room or from the bedroom as well. Maybe somebody's sleeping in there, you don't have to disturb them. But one of the best touches out here is another jacuzzi soaking tub. I do like that they've got the faucet, they also have the shower wand as well, and they've got the jacuzzi tub. You can imagine sitting out here, looking out at the beautiful view. Right now we're in Nassau, looking out at that crystal clear water. Now, when you're ready to book this phenomenal suite or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Royal Caribbean experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.